Yes. Okay. How long does it take to get there?
How long does it take to get there?
Yes. Okay, good. Okay. I want to buy that.
Yeah, you want to buy that.
I want to buy this.
You want to buy that.
Yeah.
You want to buy this. You want what?
This?
Yes.
This.
This.
Yes.
Yes.
I want to buy this.
You want to buy this.
Yes.
You want to buy this. You want to
Yes. What does this word mean?
What does this word mean?
You did so good. This is amazing.
This is amazing.
Yeah. You just gave me chills. Yay. What time is the meeting? That's good.
What time is the meeting?
Yes.
What
Yeah.
time is the meeting?
Perfect. Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Yes.
Where are you from?
Where are you from? Yes. Bus.
Bus
Stop.
stop.
Bus.
Where is the bus?
Where is the bus stop?
Where is the bus stop?
Bus.
Bus
Stop.
stop.
I'm allergic to peanuts.
I'm allergic to peanuts.
Yes.
Elbow.
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 Yeah. Yeah.
Elbow.
Elbow. Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Elbow.
Okay. Feeling well.
Yes. Feeling well. You're so close. Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So good. Okay. How are you?
How are you?
Yeah. How are you?
How are you? How are you?
That is good. That is great.
How are you? Okay.
Oh, that used to be so hard for you.
Where is the
Bus.
bus
Stop.
stop?
You were so close.
Stop.
Where is the bus stop?
Where is the stop?
Not feeling well.
I'm not feeling well.
I'm not feeling well.
I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well.
It's good with practice, right?
Where is the
Bus.
bus
Stop.
stop?
You were so close.
Stop.
Where is the bus stop?
Where is the stop?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Where are you from? Yes. I need help.
I need hope.
I need hope.
I need hope.
Yeah. I need help.
I need help.
Yes.
I need help.
Yes. Bus.
Bus
Stop.
stop.
Bus.
Where is the bus? Where
is the bus stop?
Where is the bus stop?
Bus.
Bus
Stop.
stop.
Excuse.
Excuse.
Oh, that's close.
Excuse.
Yes.
Excuse.
Excuse. Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Yeah. Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Yeah, that's close. Just tighten it up. I want to buy this.
Yes. I want to buy this.
Yeah.
I want to buy this.
Yes, you got it.